Good morning, students. Students, today I'm going to continue this chapter, resource and development. All right, and here uh, today I will discuss with you about the Earth Summit. Okay, this is one of the most important summit. All right, and it's the first type of summit where we are going to address the environment. All right, students. Uh, Actually, this Earth Summit was first held where? In Rio de Janeiro, in Brazil. Okay, when? In 1992. All right, students. Here, our global leaders met in Rio de Janeiro in uh, in 1992. All right, just to combat the climate change, natural calamity, environmental degradation, ozone hole depletion, and global warming. Okay, students, and in the previous chapter also I have discussed that how human beings they were wasting the resources indiscriminately. For example, take fresh water. Uh, People they were wasting the fresh water. All right, and our scientists they warned us that after few years there will be the scarcity of the fresh water. Okay, and so we have to use the concept of sustainable development. All right, but if two or three countries will follow the sustainable development, then we cannot able to follow our objectives. So we have to move towards global sustainable development, and for this global sustainable development, okay, United Nations conducted Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro in 1992, where you will see in June 1992 more than 100 states met in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil for the first International Earth Summit. Okay, students. And when we are saying that more than 100, that means here 178 states they participated in this Earth Summit. Okay, because during that time what happened? All the countries not during that time, now also we can say that all the countries they were suffering from the climate change, from the ozone hole depletion, from global warming. All right, so we have to address our nation, and सबसे अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म था अर्थ समिट 1992. Okay, there the leaders assembled and signed the declaration on global climatic change and biological diversity. Okay, uh, what was the aim of this Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit? They addressed the urgent problems of environmental protection and socio-economic development at global level. All right, students. And what was the broader aim here? In Rio Convention, they adopted, okay, one action plan that is called Agenda 21. Why 21? Because it belongs to 21st century. All right. Let's see here. The Rio Convention endorsed the global forest principles and adopted Agenda 21 for achieving sustainable development in 21st century. Students, this action plan, United Nations, they introduced it. All right, and the main thing was that this action plan will start from lower level to our upper level. That means from local government to the national government. All right, students, now we'll see that what is our Agenda 21. Students, this Agenda 21 is a non-binding voluntarily implemented action plan of the United Nations with regard to sustainable development. I told you that if one or two countries they follow the sustainable development, then we can't able to follow our objectives. So it is absolutely necessary that all the country they will follow the sustainable development. Then only we can able to protect our environment. All right. And this Agenda 21 is a product of UNCED. UNCED means United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, and held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil in 1992. In this Agenda 21, that means local government, they will choose their basic agendas, and they try to fulfill that basic agenda, and these basic agenda will be related with the environment. All right. And after achieving the all the local after achieving the objectives at the local level, okay, then we will move to the national level, and from the national level we will move towards the global level. ऑल राइट. तो यहाँ पर लोकल गवर्नमेंट की जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है यहाँ पर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो जस्ट सी हियर इट इज़ एन एक्शन एजेंडा फॉर द यूएन. Students, it is an action agenda for the UN, other multilateral organizations and individual governments around the world that can be executed at the local level first, national level, and then the global levels. Okay. Agenda 21's goal is to help the environment and was agreed at Earth Summit in 1992. Okay. That means the main essence is this: local Agenda 21 is Agenda 21 on a local scale. A saying is that think globally but act locally. Then only we can able to fulfill our objective. Okay students. Thank you students.